Here's how to add your company logo in QuickBooks Online quickly and professionally. Adding your logo helps your invoices, estimates, and reports look polished and instantly recognizable to your customers. Start by going to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and clicking the gear icon. This is your settings area where you manage company preferences. If you're using a shared account, make sure you have permission to edit company settings, since this change applies to everyone. From the menu, select Account and Settings. This opens your company profile page. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your company information along with a section for your logo. If you already have one, you'll see a preview. If not, you'll see an option to add one. Click on the Logo section to upload your file. Choose a high-quality image from your computer. PNG or JPG formats work best. For best results, use a clean logo with a simple background and a square or near square shape so it fits nicely on your documents. After selecting your file, QuickBooks will show you a preview. Check that it looks clear and properly aligned. If it looks blurry or cropped, cancel and upload a better version. Once uploaded, QuickBooks will automatically apply your logo to your forms, like invoices and reports. You don't need to add it again each time. If you open a new invoice, your logo should appear at the top. If it doesn't show right away, just refresh your browser. To keep everything looking professional, use the same logo across your branding, leave some spacing around it, and keep a backup saved safely.